Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. And I'm so excited for this one because we'll be doing the seat cover from this to this. Yeah, so basically I got this from AliExpress. It's called Wretch Racing Super. And they have a lot of products, but this is probably the most exciting one because look at this. That's the R1 taillight. And I always wanted those on my bike compared to this. I mean, you can get the integrated ones where they have the fully blacked out and there's indicator there and there's indicator there. But I just didn't like the shape of it. But this one, this has an indicator and the brake lights and everything. And it comes in this as well. But we'll be doing that at a later time. Or it might be in this video. It depends when I post this. But today we'll be just focusing on this. We're going to put this one there. First thing you need to do is open the seat and open that. It should come off. Oh, this is a pain. I hate doing this one. So you gotta. Sorry, I dropped the phone. Alright, so my brother's helping me because I couldn't do this by myself because you need two hands. Because this seat's a pain in the ass. I know that one's gonna be more, but this one's still a pain in the ass. So what we gotta do is hold it like this. There you go. That comes off. And in here we're gonna put the metal thing. So the metal thing, bro, basically it was so hard because they didn't give us any instructions, so I had to just figure it out. So this basically goes here, like this, and I think it's just for support for that. And you might be asking, what tools do you need? Well, good news. Every single tool you need comes with the bike. Alright, now let's start taking all of this off. We're going to take this off, this off, this off, this off, this. Alright, and to do that, it's basically, it's in the toolkit that we got. So we need this, and then we need the Allen key as well. First, we're going to take these off. This one and this one. So this one comes off, and then we're going to take this off. Or maybe we'll take off this one first, and then we'll take off that one. I don't want to lose any bolts. It's not working, so I don't know. I might get another one. I might get one of those, the big ones that goes like this, and I'll be back. We got the thing, so this is what we're gonna use. The one that came with the bike is kind of, I don't know, it was slipping a lot, so I got this one, so it'll be a bit more easier, and it doesn't slap into any of these. You know, we don't want to damage it. So we got this. What we do, we lift up the kit, we put this under. And we lift up this side and we put this under, I think, and we screw it in place. Okay. Now this. We don't want to make it too tight because it might crack the kit, the fiberglass. So just enough, like sturdy, that's enough. Alright, now we got this in place, so it's sturdy, strong, metal, good support. Alright, now we're gonna take these two off, and we're gonna lift the seat. It's pretty simple. Put the Allen key in and just turn. We don't want to lose the screws. If it goes inside, it'll be really sad. So we'll just put this. I'll give you a small. I got a small tip for you. Just a small tip. So what you do is, if you got like 1 or 2 screws and you want to keep it safe, what you do is you just put it here, where the thing is. Alright guys, so we hooked up the lights before we put it on behind the seat cover, to make sure it works, because you know it's from China. I want to make sure it works. Hopefully when I switch on the bike, this should light up. Cool, that's the brake, front brake, back brake, left indicator, right indicator. And that's the 2-1. Alright, now we're gonna put this on behind the seat cover. It's pretty cool. So you've got to make sure this is out of the way, the wires are out of the way, and we have to, there's 3 bolts here. So not bolts, in this way the screw goes, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. That's it. Alright, now let's put this one in. Turn on the flash. So 1 there, 1 there. Alright, so this is done. As you can see, I'm not home anymore, and you do need more tools. That's my fault. I should have said that. So we need to take the tail off, basically the lights, the brake light. So this is pretty straightforward. There's 2 screws, or not screws, 2 bolts, one here and 1 there, and that connects to this. Take the 2 bolts off, and this should just come off. And you just need to take the brake light connection as well. Other than that, that's it. So yeah, right. Next step is put the metal thing back on and screw it in place. I'll be back after that. Now we've connected the metal thing to the bike. So this is where the clip is to hold the seat in place, or the lock. And now we just got to put that on that. So for the wire connecting, I'm only going to be connecting the brake lights. I'm not going to be connecting anything else because I need to get a tail teddy first. I don't have a tail teddy, so there's no point disconnecting this. So I'm just going to disconnect the brakes. Oh, it's already disconnected, and I'm just going to put in the brakes. Alright, there we go. We put it in its place. It's locked in, so when I turn it, it locks and unlocks, and all we got to do is now just connect all the wiring. Alright everyone, it's finally done. So I connected the brake line. I won't be connecting in the indicator lines because I have like I said, I have this. So when I turn this on, it should light up. 3, 2, 1.